How to troubleshoot a Craftsman tiller. Craftsman is a brand name sold through Sears that includes both large and small tools. Craftsman offers a small selection of tillers to help in your garden. A tiller has blades or tines designed to turn the soil over to soften it for easier planting. If you run into minor problems with your Craftsman tiller, do some troubleshooting before you take it in for servicing. Things you'll need: gasoline optional, engine oil optional, new spark plug optional, new air filter optional. Fill the tank with gasoline and turn the fuel valve and engine to on if the tiller will not start. Also, try replacing the spark plug and the air filter or emptying the gas tank and carburetor. Refill with gas. Check the oil level to see if you need to add more. Clean the engine's air screen or remove and clean out the muffler if the engine overheats when you use the tiller. If the tiller seems to be struggling to work correctly, inspect the depth stake to see if it is too deep. Set the stake for shallow tilling and adjust the throttle control. Check the moisture level of the soil if it clumps into balls when you are tilling the soil. If so, wait for the soil to dry out before tilling it.